I'm a lit kid B.
Yung seminar ng Majestic, sobrang okay, sobrang cool. Tapos yung sa resin natin, marami kang matutunan, maraming marami kang pwedeng gawin. Lahat ng walang sayang kung gusto mong gawin lahat ng mga hindi mo pa nagagawa, countertops, flooring. And sobrang cool niya, maraming mixes, maraming designs. Kung medyo artistic ka, mas okay sa ito.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Majestics. I booked this training before the lockdown. We've been through enough sa lockdown, but first time ko lumabas dito sa Majestic nag-training. Nawala ang stress ko, sobra. And I will bring my wife also here.
Workshop kami ng husband ko because my husband is into woodworking, and actually hobby ko is drawing and painting. So we were looking for a project that we could collaborate in. So we found itong resin workshop, and sa tingin namin ito yung parang magandang way for us to collaborate. So in terms of the workshop, it's very informative and fun siya kasi ang daming hands-on na activities like yung rivertable na rivertable pouring. So we learned how to mix and yung mga designs na possible dun sa pag-pour and dun sa mga boards that can be made into cabinet doors. So very pretty. So it's a sample ng poster that we made in excess dun sa mga activities na ginawa namin. So ayun, I recommend yung workshop and yung Majestic Chemical Industries na resin. So good job.
We are into home decoration business. So nag-join ako dito sa workshop to look for alternative options dun sa mga ino-offer namin, like sa mga countertops, how to do it more exciting and at a cheaper cost. So we find this workshop very interesting, exciting, fun. The way they manage yung workshop, materials, they're very generous. So we learned a lot. While we are learning, we are also enjoying, yung learning process. Dito sa workshop, you don't need to have experience really, kasi they will guide you from how you're going to start and hanggang sa matapos yung product. So ito yung sample ng ginawa namin. Ayan, medyo hindi pa siya ganun kaganda, no? But eventually siguro as we progress, mapapolish na rin namin yung gawa. But I really recommend itong workshop now for those who want to get into resin. Okay, thank you.